Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is in collaboration with Jamaican Mango and Lime, so I've teamed up with them once again for the launch of one of their new products from the Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture collection. And before I begin, I'm making sure that my hair is fresh and clean. You may remember from my last collab video how I talked about their Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture line and how it claims to deliver a 360-degree moisture miracle packed with natural oils, butters, and vitamins to penetrate and surround your hair with long-lasting moisture. Okay, so now that my hair is fresh and clean, I'm going to be taking their coconut butter cream and adding some more moisture to my hair before I begin protective styling. And of course, from the video title, I'm going to be doing braids for this hair tutorial. For this style, I'm going to be doing 5 braids to the scalp, and so I'm just taking the rat tail end of my comb and making sure I get some clean, sharp lines. And of course, I like to start in the middle just to make sure everything's even, and then I twist away the hair that I'm not working on. So like I said earlier, Jamaican Mango and Lime has recently come out with their new product to add to their Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture collection, and it's called their Curling Gelo. It's basically a clear curl defining gel, and it comes in a 12-ounce jar, so you get a lot of product. To ensure my braid is going to be nice and sleek, I applied a little bit of that gel and used a brush to slick it down. And honestly, y'all, it is so hard for me to try to explain how to braid. Like, I'm sure there's thousands of tutorials here on YouTube that can teach you better. But I'll try to explain to you once I get to the next section. So with the curling jello, there's no alcohol, no silicones, no mineral oil, no parabens, so I felt really safe using this product on my hair. Plus, it's formulated with natural ingredients to condition, soften, and give shine to your hair. And on the jar, it says that the curling jello is supposed to enhance your natural texture and define your curls. Okay, so I'm getting ready to start on the next section, and before I start, I'm going to make sure my hair is tangle free, and then I'm going to take the curling jello and apply it to the front of my head for a nice clean look, and then using the brush to make it even more sleek. And just in case you're wondering, this gel is not greasy at all. Like, it doesn't flake, it's not hard, it's not crunchy, it's very soft, which I was very surprised about when I first used it. And I'm kind of curious to see how this would work on my wash and go, so I'm going to try this out the next time I wash my hair. Okay y'all, so let's see if I can explain what I'm doing here a little better, but don't judge me. Like I said, it's hard to explain in words. So I'm just taking that gel and slicking down the front of the section and using a brush to make it nice and clean. And when I braid, I like to start all the way towards the top, and I have a lot of baby hair, so it's kind of hard, and that's why my pieces in the beginning are very thin. Plus my hair is thin anyway. But basically, I'm just taking a little piece of the front and splitting it into 3 tiny pieces, and I'm just taking the left side and bringing it under to the middle, and then taking the right side and bringing it under to the middle, and I'm just doing that repeatedly and grabbing hair as I go, which is creating the braid. And I'm always making sure to use my fingers to just make sure I grab like the edge of my hair, like the perimeter of my head, just to make sure I don't leave any hair out. And as you can see, I kind of stop and go as I braid a lot, just because number one, my hair is very long, and then number two, it's super curly, so it's very easy for my hair to get tangled up, which is why I don't do braids a lot, but I really do like this protective style. Okay, so here's another close-up view of what I'm doing. I'm on the last braid, so we're almost done. So once again, I'm doing the same thing as I did to the other sections, applying the curling jello to the front of my head and slicking it down with a brush. So to start the braid off, I'm taking a small piece of hair towards the top and breaking it up into 3 smaller pieces of hair, and taking the left side underneath and grabbing hair, and then taking the right side underneath and grabbing hair. So again, the left side goes underneath and becomes the middle, and then the right side goes underneath and becomes the middle. I hope that makes sense. I honestly don't know if y'all understand what I'm trying to explain or not, but hopefully it makes sense. Or you can kind of just pick up on what I'm doing here in the video, and I'm just continuing this process until I get all the way down towards the end of my hair and detangling as I go. I will say that it takes a lot of practice. Practice makes perfect, and like I said, I'm probably the worst at explaining how to braid, but I've been doing braids since I was a little girl, practicing on my mannequin, and my mom taught me and she would just show me what to do, so practice makes perfect. To make my braids look even more on fleek, I'm going to be using that same curling jello and applying it to my edges and slicking down my baby hairs with a bristle brush. And then to top everything off, I'm just going to be putting a little oil to my scalp and down the braids. So that completes this hair tutorial. I really enjoyed using the Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture Curling Gelo. It really helped me to tame my flyaways and get the sleekest braid possible with no frizz. Thanks again to Jamaican Mango and Lime for sending these products, and also thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!